How to generate Amazon affiliate link, step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate Amazon affiliate link, step by step. Let's get started. First, sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Go to the Amazon Associates website, click Sign Up, and log in with your Amazon account or create a new one. Next, head to Amazon and search for the product you want to promote. Choose something that fits your niche or audience. On the product page, use the SiteStripe toolbar at the top. Click Text, choose your link type, and copy your unique affiliate link. Now share this link on your blog, YouTube, or social media. Remember to disclose that it's an affiliate link. That's it. You're all set to start earning with Amazon affiliates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tech and tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.